In this video you will see me how I will transform this car from this to this. I have here a BMW 5 Series M5 f90. On this car I will do a facelift retrofit. For this job I need to replace the headlights, the front bumper, the kidney grills. I need to do some modification on the wiring. I need to do some modification on the plugs for the headlights, and inside of the car I will need to add a module. This is a headlight adapter for the new headlights to work, and at the end I will need to code the car. So if you want to see this amazing transformation, you are in the right place, so don't go anywhere. I need to remove this panel, the headlights, the grills, and the front bumper. Compared with the 7 Series, on the 5 Series is more easy, because on the 7 Series we need to replace the engine hood, the front fenders, the bumper carrier, and a ton of plastics underneath the bumper. For removing these panels is very simple. I need to remove these plastic clips, like so. Exactly the same on this side. To remove the front grills, I need to pull hard, like so. And the grill is removed. Now I will remove the bumper. To remove the bumper I have a couple of screws here. I have 2 screws here that will keep the bumper connected with the front fender, and a couple of screws underneath the bumper. Now I need to pull the wheel arch. And on this side the same, I will repeat the process. And the last screws from underneath the bumper. Now with the screws removed, I am able to remove the bumper. I need to push a little bit the bumper up, because I have a clip here and one here. Now I need to remove the kidney bracket. Now I will need to remove this plug. This is an old generation, and I will need to replace it with the newer generation. This is the new plug. For this plug I need to replace the pins. And perfect, like from the factory. Click. And perfect. Now I will start to disassemble the interior parts. I need to access the Bdc module from here and the CAN terminal from here. This here is the Bdc module. From here I need to remove some wires. And from here I need to remove pin 8 and 22. This one, 22, it's on the other side. And next is 9. 8 and 21, sorry, and 9 and 22. This one is 9. Okay, the rest of the wires will return back, and these wires I will extend them until the front. I need to connect this wire together, something like that. The easy way to do this job will be to cut the pins and to make a connection here between these wires, but I don't like that and I will use the hard way. The hard way is the elegant way. I will use some plugs with pins. Perfect. I will connect this together. Now from the BDC I need to remove this plug. Okay, with these two wires I will need to connect from my module these wires. Now I'll put this back. Perfect. Let's move back the case, the cover. With the wires for the headlights will be connected with these wires. Okay, these are perfect. From here I need to connect the turn signals, left and right, and power supply. Let's do the turn signal next. For the turn signal I need to remove this plug. Okay, and also from this plug I will take the power supply and ground. Now I'll put back the pin, and last pin for this module is the ground, and I have here a brown wire that is ground. Here on this plus I will cut the wire and I will mount a fuse, a 5 amp fuse, because safety first. If something will go bad with the wires, with the module, this car will be protected. 5 amp fuse. For the left headlight, this is the fuse. That headlight have permanent power supply. So I need to move the headlight from permanent power supply to an interrupted power supply. This is the pin and I need to move it here. I will mount a 20 amp fuse here and I will mark the position. Okay. Now this fuse will remain in this area, and the module at the end I will mount it somewhere around this area. Now I will start to mount everything back here. From the trunk I need to remove the floor panel, this panel and this one here. I have to remove this inside trunk opener, something like that. I have one more here. Here in the trunk, F225 is the right headlight, is this fuse from here, 20 amp, and I will need to move it here. And the new pin will be in this position. Close the plug. And now this one from here will be the headlight. at this moment I will start to clean all this junk from here. I will remove this dirt from this radiator, and on this side the same. Okay, everything is clean. Now it's a pleasure to work on this car. Now I will start to mount everything back. And now, la pièce de résistance, the headlights. And on this side the same. I will mount this beauty on the car. Okay, now I'll mount the kidney grills. First time to mount back the front view camera. Now I will explain you how this car was coded. First, I will connect with the car, F90. Next, read the FA, edit FA. From here, I will need to change the manufacture date from 07-2018 to 07-2020. Okay, save, back. Now with the new date, I will find the headlights, and after that I will code it. Depending of the headlights, most of the times they will need to be programmed first, and after that they will need to be coded. Next step, I'll go to the BDC, right click, edit FDL, and here in the FDL I have changed all these parameters, and after that I'll need to save this CFD, go back, select CFD and hit code FDL. And at the end everything is okay, and this car don't have any error, fault memories 0. Finally, this car is done. Everything is perfect. And for this retrofit to be complete, the rear tail lights will need also to be replaced, but on this car they have already been replaced by someone else, and they are looking amazing. Of course, for these tail lights there will need to be some wiring modification also. And of course, in the instrument cluster I have no errors, everything is working perfectly. No notification. And finally, this car is done, everything is working perfectly. If you like what you see, if you like what I'm doing, show me by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching these videos, thank you for being with me, and till next time, you know the drill, stay awesome, bye now.